How to install Descendant Rom based on Android 11 on the Poco F3, the Mi 11X or the Redmi K40. Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the official Descendant ROM based on Android 11 on the Poco F3, the Mi 11X or the Redmi K40. Do note all these devices are the same, just sold under different names in different regions. Now, what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have an unlocked bootloader and you also need to have TWRP recovery installed. How do you do that? Videos for those can be found in the description of this video. Next thing, make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not, and I repeat, do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Another thing, make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device, because we are going to perform a format data and you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. Another thing which is recommended is that you come from the latest version of MIUI for your device. Again, make sure that you're coming from the latest variant of MIUI for your Poco F3, Mi 11X or the Redmi K40. And how do you go back to stock from a custom ROM? Videos for those can also be found in the description of this video. So here it is. I do have the Poco F3, which right now is running stock MIUI 12.5.1 stable based on Android 11. Again, it is recommended that you switch from stock MIUI to your custom ROM, and of course videos on how to go back to stock can be found in the description of this video. Next thing we are going to do is we will go into settings, password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, go back, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Once that is done, go back, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Once you have removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Now, why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We are doing this because we are going from one ROM to another and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. Next up, what are the files which we need? All the files which you need are linked in the description of the video, and you need only one file, which is your Descendant ROM for the Poco F3, Mi 11X or the Redmi K40. Do note this is the official build. Next thing we need to do is we need to boot into TWRP recovery. So first of all, turn off your device, and once the device is turned off, press and hold power and volume up together, and once you feel the vibration, you can let go of the power button. So there it is. I felt the vibration, let go of the power button, volume up was still pressed, and we have successfully booted into our custom recovery, which is TeamWin by Vashisht or TWRP recovery, whatever you want to call it. First up, we will go into wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik and data. That's it, Dalvik and data, and then swipe to wipe. Once this process has finished, tap on the home button, go into install. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the Descendant ROM zip file. In case you downloaded it on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. If you transfer it manually, you would know the folder where it is. So we are going to go inside this folder and make sure we select the file. Another thing to ensure is that inject TWRP after install is checked. This will ensure that your recovery is not replaced. So again, if you want your recovery to be not replaced, which is recommended, make sure this option of inject TWRP after install is checked, and then swipe to confirm flash. Once all the files have flashed successfully, we are going to make sure there were no errors. So here it is, we are flashing the Descendant ROM itself, and step 1 of 2, step 2 of 2, everything done without any issues. Then this here is unpacking the boot and repacking it, and this is the step wherein we are making sure that TWRP recovery is not replaced and it is injected back into boot after flashing a custom ROM. You can ignore the part in red that looks like a warning, and image flash completed in both the cases. Next up, tap on the home button, reboot, and herein select recovery. Now once we have booted back into TWRP, we will go into wipe, format data, type in yes, and then tap on the check mark on the bottom right. As mentioned earlier in the video, format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So make sure you do have a backup of all those things. Now, as you can see, we did get some errors about failing to mount system root ext product vendor ODM. All those can be ignored. Why? Because format data was performed without any issues. Next up, go into reboot system or select reboot system. And there it is. We do have the Descendant boot animation on our Poco F3, the Mi 11X or the Redmi K40, and that means we are booting into Descendant ROM based on Android 11. The first boot up will take some time, so you have to be patient. And now that we are on the setup screen, let me fix the brightness a little bit and then skip the initial setup real quick. And this has become a standard process of installing a custom ROM on my Poco F3. On first boot up, it always reboots, and then after that it works absolutely fine with no touch issues or no random reboots. Alright, so let us try skipping the setup one more time. And there it is, we have successfully booted into the ROM. Let us go into settings, and once we are in settings we can go into about phone. And herein if I tap on the Android version is 11, Descendant version is 11.5, device model is the Poco F3 or the Xiaomi Mi 11X, and there it is peeps. That is how you install Descendant ROM based on Android 11 on the Poco F3, the Mi 11X or the Redmi K40, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.